through this partnership with PRI, we have me embedded here 3 days a week, physically present. So that way students are able to access me more immediately, more easily for them when they're meeting with their academic counselors. It's a unique project, I think, because the students can just walk in and talk to me whenever they want. So the majority of our work focuses on Know Your Rights workshops first that typically discuss employment discrimination as it relates to having a conviction history, as well as like new laws that exist that are protecting us from that type of discrimination, what limited sealing we have available in New York and who qualifies for that. And then we also talk about rap sheet cleanup. We've found that typically like 45% of New York State rap sheets have a mistake on it, so we like to get those corrected. If you've ever been fingerprinted before, you have a rap sheet. A lot of times people have misunderstandings about what their actual convictions are. And so then when they go forward to apply for jobs and they're asked to disclose, if they misdisclose something, they can be accused of lying. As a part of the Know Your Rights workshops, people have an opportunity to request their rap sheets right then and there, and we send their information to Albany, and then we get back the rap sheets and review them and have individual appointments with students to discuss what their rap sheets contain, check them for errors, have those errors corrected. We create these summary sheets where people have an exact list of which convictions should be disclosed and exactly what words were assigned to that conviction. That's an important thing for anybody who has had any sort of contact with law enforcement to know, I think. I've worked with a number of students on employment issues, and one of the most common, I think, is that a lot of our students here are really interested in sort of giving back to their community and working with people who are dealing with similar issues that they have dealt with. They frequently have a personal connection, something like case management or working with incarcerated youth or things like that. Unfortunately, those jobs are really hard to get for people who have a conviction history because a lot of them require special clearances from government agencies. We support a lot of students in applications for those types of jobs. A lot of times it's not even any like lawyer like work. I'm not doing a lot of litigation or that type of thing necessarily, but a lot of times I'm just working with students on their own statements about their own lives and just sort of editing back and forth, helping them sort of put in their own words, why they're the best person for the job and why whatever happened in their lives is not relevant anymore. I mean, this is my dream job. It's really great to be able to provide legal services in a context where, students can just walk in and reach me whenever on their own time, and allows me to sort of practice law in the way that I believe is most responsible. So that's been really rewarding.